Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. There's a method going around that claims you can get unlimited coins in DramaBox using just your phone. No PC, no extra tools, and no hassle. It sounded almost unbelievable, so I decided to put it to the test. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what I did, step by step, and show you what actually happened. The first thing the method asks for is your player ID. It's usually right there in your in-game profile or under Settings, easy to spot. I located mine real quick and copied it so it was ready for the next step. Nothing confusing here, just a basic setup step. Next, I opened the browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but any browser should work. I went to the site people keep mentioning and searched for the DramaBox Unlimited Coins Hack tool. The site loaded normally with no strange redirects or spammy pop-ups, which honestly made it feel more legit than I expected. On the page, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but iOS was an option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and made sure everything looked correct before continuing. After that, I was asked to choose how many resources I wanted. For this test, I went with a maximum amount just to see if anything would actually happen. When I confirmed, the page ran through a few progress bars showing different steps being completed. The layout was clean and easy to follow. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains this clearly and even provides a simple walkthrough, so it wasn't confusing at all. I already completed that part earlier, so let's skip ahead to the results. To see if it worked, I reopened DramaBox and checked my coins balance. The extra coins were already there. No delays and no need to restart the app. It updated instantly on my device. I honestly didn't expect it to be that smooth. So, based on my test, the method did exactly what it claimed. The process was simple, mobile-friendly, and easy to follow if you pay attention to the steps. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, share it, and subscribe for more real tests and honest reviews. And if you've tried this yourself, let me know how it went in the comments. I check them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.